Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to transfer files from host machine to virtual machine and vice versa. So let's begin. As you can see here, this is my virtual machine and this is my host machine. So first of all, I'll create a folder on my host machine. Let's name it as shared folder. Now right click on this folder and go to properties. Under sharing, click on share. You'll get this pop-up. Click on this drop down option and choose everyone. That means we are sharing this folder with everyone. And click on add. Now I will change the permission. Click on this drop down option and give the permission as read and write. Then click on share. Now you can see this folder is shared. Click on done and close. Now in virtual machine we need to install one plugin. Go to devices menu and click on insert guest additions. Once you click, go to file explorer and this PC. Now you can see here you will get this folder VirtualBox guest additions. Double click on it and install this plugin VirtualBox Windows Additions. Double click on it, click yes, next and install. This might take some time, be patient. Once the installation is done, reboot the machine. Virtual machine has been restarted. Let me log in. Once you logged in, go to devices menu. Under shared folders, click on shared folders settings. As you can see, there is a plus icon at the right side. If you place the cursor on it, you can see here adds new shared folder. Click on it and specify the path here. I'll click on this drop down option and click on other. As you know, I had created a shared folder on my host machine on the desktop. I'll go to desktop and click on this shared folder and select folder. So I'll choose here make permanent and click OK and again OK. So now go to File Explorer in virtual machine and go to this network. Now you can see here there is one folder called VBox SVR. Open this folder. Yeah, we are able to see the shared folder here. So to verify, I'll just open the folder and create a file here. And I'll write something inside the file. Let's type my channel name TechInfoStir and I'll save this file and close. To verify whether we are able to share the file or not, I'll go to the host machine and open the shared folder. Yeah, it is successfully shared here. Let me open the file and show it to you. Yes, the file has been successfully shared. That's it in the today's video. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.